ChatGPT, understanding the intelligence behind the AI. ChatGPT's intelligence is way more impressive than you think, and I'm about to show you why. ChatGPT is undoubtedly one of the leading AI language models out there, and its growing importance in our everyday applications and business is undeniable. From virtual assistants to content generation, ChatGPT is changing the game, and it's essential we understand what makes it tick. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI intelligence is that it's just a bunch of clever coding, but the truth is, there's so much more to it than that. A lot of people think that AI systems like ChatGPT are just programmed to spit out predefined responses, but that's not even close to how it works. Another common misconception is that AI is just about making machines smarter, but the real goal is to make machines more useful to humans. There's a big difference between the two. Yet another misconception is that AI is just for techies and scientists. But the reality is that AI is all around us, from our smartphones to our favorite video streaming services. And finally, a lot of people think that AI is just about automation, but the truth is that AI is about augmenting human capabilities, not replacing them. So, how do we separate fact from fiction when it comes to AI intelligence? The answer lies in understanding how AI systems like ChatGPT are built and trained. It's not just about throwing a bunch of code together and hoping for the best. It's about using cutting-edge technologies like deep learning and natural language processing to create machines that can learn and adapt at an unprecedented scale. The challenges in understanding how ChatGPT works are numerous. For one, the technology is constantly evolving, so it's hard to keep up with the latest developments. Additionally, the inner workings of AI systems are often shrouded in mystery, even for experts in the field. Deep learning is at the heart of ChatGPT's technology, and it's what enables the system to learn and improve over time. But what exactly is deep learning, and how does it work? Essentially, deep learning is a type of machine learning that's inspired by the human brain. It involves training neural networks on vast amounts of data, which enables them to recognize patterns and make predictions with incredible accuracy. Natural language processing, or NLP, is another key technology behind ChatGPT. NLP is a subfield of artificial intelligence that's focused on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. The combination of deep learning and NLP is what makes ChatGPT so powerful, and it's what sets it apart from other language models. The training data used to train ChatGPT is another critical component of its technology. The system is trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet, which enables it to learn about the world and generate human-like responses. But the training data isn't just any data. It's been carefully curated to ensure that it's accurate, relevant, and diverse. So, what sets ChatGPT apart from other AI systems? The answer lies in its ability to generate human-like text and learn from interactions. ChatGPT can respond to questions, provide information, and even generate creative content like stories and dialogues. But what's truly remarkable is its ability to learn from our interactions and adapt to our needs. ChatGPT's ability to learn from interactions is what makes it so powerful. The system can learn from our feedback and adapt its responses to better match our needs and preferences. This enables it to become more accurate and informative over time and to provide a more personalized experience for users. The implications of ChatGPT's technology are far-reaching and profound. From virtual assistants to customer service chatbots, the potential applications are endless. And it's not just about business. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and to enable new forms of creativity and collaboration. The key feature that sets ChatGPT apart is its ability to generate human-like text that's both accurate and informative. This is what enables the system to provide value to users and to become an indispensable tool in our daily lives. So, what makes ChatGPT smart? The answer lies in its innovative technology and real-world applications. From its ability to learn from interactions to its potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, ChatGPT is a game changer. So, what do you think about AI and its potential to change the world? Have you had any experiences with AI that you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest advancements in AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.